Right, decided today to build a stay alive or keep alive for the trains. So I've got some super capacitors here. They're 2.7 volts and 1.0 farads, I believe. Now on this side, here, is the negative side of the capacitor, and this side is the positive side. So we're going to line them up in this little vise, and then I'll come back. Right, so they're lined up, not sure if you can see it, but we have the neutral on that side, or negative that side, then the negative on this side, then on that side, then the negative this side, and then on that side. So we got positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. That's how it's lined up at the moment. Okay, the next bit of the operation is, here we go. We're going to bend these leads over. We've got a positive here and a negative here, so we're going to join those two, and we're also going to solder on a 10 kiloohm resistor. So that's on there. We'll leave this one off for a minute, and after that, I'm going to try to see with the phone. We're going to bend that one across to that side on the opposite side, solder them, and then back on this side, that side, etc. And we're going to join all these together. Okay, so we should end up with it a bit like this. We got our 10k resistors going across that one, and then across this one, that one, that one, and that one. You just need to make sure that we're not touching the casings underneath here. There's a room underneath here, so we have a negative lead coming out and then a positive lead coming out, and all the resistors are in. So that's the first part of the operation. Okay, so the next bit is to cover it, and I've covered it all with this Kapton tape, which is electronic tape. Really, it's heat proof and whatever, insulating. So that sort of looks after that bit, and we've just got the negative and positive sticking out. So we go on to the next bit. Okay, try and sum it up. On the ground line we have our Zener diode, and on the feed line we have our 100 ohm resistor, and also an IM4007 diode on that end. So here's the schematic. So here we have our 100 ohm resistor, 4007 diode, IM5350 Zener diode, which is 13.5 volts. That's from the ground coming in there. We got 5 capacitors. They're 2.7 volts and 1.0 F capacitance. 5 of those equals 13.5 volts. We got 5 10k resistors going through. So and it all just connects up, and that's it. That's the schematic. Best of luck.